Yeah. Mama is not there. I went to go and see books for children. When I'm back now, it's better I do this one so that we help each other. Hello, guys. Ndozvatizopamba nekutombofanira kurwara basa dore ratinge tasiya kuseri tichiti manheru rava nodzoka tozozviita bati kana madhamu achinge vasipo kudaiso vaita zvakwani. Now guys, yeah, what's the course? My wife is gonna be surprised. What I guess these are the course how we are doing, guys. Working is going on. No, banana. Yes, yeah. Kuna basa tinonzi nderekuyu tombobatsirana kumwana zvogara zvakatioma kana kumba kuzimbabwe vanozandoshanda kumwana fana zvokunzi ichakumira munozandoshanda guys dzangu nameno vakakurwawo vasingasukuma plate kana vakazvarwa nana sister vakawanda mumba isusu vanozvi variko here but haidzaisuka isusu is fine anati. You got? Yeah. Even my children, I've taught them how to do the work. How are you, Audrey? Hi. What are you doing? I'm washing the dishes. You're washing the dishes. Can you look here? Hi. Greet the people. What do you want to say to the people? Like and subscribe to people. Subscribe our channel. Sure. Yes. You subscribe our channel and like. Thank you. This is the eldest sister, Natasha. Natasha, how are you? Hi. Yeah, what are you doing there? I'm washing dishes. They are washing dishes. Can you look here? What do you want to say to the people who are watching you? I want to say, guys, can you subscribe for my channel? Yes. What are yes. Thank you so much. So I've got my children, guys. The one who are teaching them to do work, guys. Work must be done. There is no work that is for. And the children, we must teach them work. This is daily vlogging, guys. Our family, our everything. Can you see now? They are now washing. And after that, we're going to do a lot. So that when mother comes from work, she'll be tired. Is it not? So when she comes home, she needs to rest. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just with my two daughters here. We are doing. Zakwana. Hi, people. You don't have any money. My mom don't have any customers. Because we are poor. Because my family is too poor. Other people is too rich. Is too have any money. But us we are poor. No money. No something to eat. But we wash our dishes every day. But we go to school. My teacher is giving me a max. Me I'm giving my mom a money. Then is buy a food and a food and a dishes and a pot. Thanks guys. Thank you. Hey, the eye makes them so excited. You see, she has spoken more than these are the children here. If the child speaks, you can just tell that from the speech. That if she keeps up in that gear, if we keep on supporting our children this way, it means their future tomorrow is gonna be bright, guys. Thank you so much. You see, I've been touched so much by the request of our child to say, you see, that is the way we are, and she knows our situation, so she's not even. But she, yes, she's what you want to be. They are trying this and that, but you don't feel. Mwari dai varopafadzo guys. Saka tova bye bisanditi. Bye bye. I love you so much. Yes, they are saying they love you so much, guys. What chaunogona kuita uchiona oti what are they doing? Brevas. É. Chats. What are they doing? Yeah, what did? Okay. Super. I'm about to ask them, Mammy.
Tinenge tichida kuriita. Tinenge tichida kuriita.
Mozotadza kuriita.
Ndijoina notanga kutona.
Saka ndoenda kuti muite basa. Ndine muchitamba.
Ndiyanotanga kuti rova.
Ndiyatanga kuti tambe. Tangomupa mvura. Kuti zvi. Rumuri kupera kutsvairwa.
Riripo panza. Maybe now.
Indonesia que não nos vamos assim. Lá nós vamos qualquer um.